I'm Dan Schnitzer. I'm the Director of Sustainability and Operations at the Academy for Global Citizenship, and my responsibilities are ensuring environmental and financial sustainability of our school. The mission of AGC is to develop mindful leaders who take action both now and in the future to better themselves, their families, and their communities. And the goal is to empower kids starting from when they enter school to know that they can have a positive influence on the world in their own way and to take ownership over the influence that they have. This grant has enabled us to expand our extended learning opportunity programs to a summer camp and after-school programs where the kids can continue to develop these academic and sustainable skills and then translate them into their life at home. The theme of summer camp is the global marketplace, and every Friday the students organize, manage, and run a farmer's market in our parking lot. So to do that during the week, they do a lot of eco-crafts and they work in our school gardens. On Thursday and Friday, they harvest and they start to bundle everything together and to sell it. So again, we feel that the students need to learn at an early age how to engage and interact with the real world, not the world when they're 18 and let out on their own, but the world that they live in now. So part of our mission is to expand sustainable education throughout all public school systems and all education systems in general. Our next 5 years are a really exciting time. We're currently in 2 rented facilities, and we're working on designing and building a net positive energy facility that'll be a learning lab not only for our students and families, but for the city of Chicago, and how construction and education and green infrastructure can change the faces of communities. There are many different ways that people can become involved, from financial donations to offering your skill sets to run after-school programs or to help out in classrooms. Again, at our website, www.agcchicago.org, are all of our contact numbers and phone numbers, and we really want to bring in the community to offer what they have. So if there's someone out there who's a painter and wants to come and paint with our kids, we welcome you in. If there are others who are gardeners and want to work in the garden with the kids, there are opportunities for that as well. So we really look to our community to provide the expertise and the resources that we need to educate our students. Thank you to the Ford Community Green Grant and Green Festival for giving us this opportunity to continue to educate our kids long into the future.